It's a sunny Thursday morning at Ofenso. A number of residents in the town have come to the roadside to sell their products as it is their only source of livelihood. Unfortunately, the hawkers who ply their wares at the toll booth in this area complain market isn't booming as it normally would for them. They indicate they take advantage of traffic congestion at the toll booth for business. Ekria Sewa is a hawker at Ofenso toll booth. The mother of four comes here every day to sell her bottles of palm oil, plantains and cassava for the financial upkeep of her family. Today, like many other days ahead, may be the end of her hawking business for 6 years. She told me the absence of the booth would take a toll on her business.
Kakra o me ho ana me de akotu abosia say ma betena sie se minisika bi akura me menti be ko fantoma bi ana bibisa awoton they say dem ho akire me.
Another hawker, Elizabeth Ejewa, told me she accrues a daily profit of 100 Ghana cedis on the loaves of bread she sells. She is worried she might not be making such profits in the coming days. The mother of two says she spends 50 Ghana cedis on daily expenditure and saves the remaining profits she makes. Elizabeth bemoans her dream of saving to better her life and that of her children has been shattered.
My mom go school be 20 cities. Me the 15 cities mo go school. Na me the 5 cities jo mo fi on ba do mo be di. Be me the 50 cities be to susu. Na me the 30 cities ato me ho sele be ya. Me nya bi di aye lolo fe asade bi adidi. Me be afa ni ato 5 cities. But ka ni gina dia ya de pano kwadu no. Eni boss wa. Buko na ye ne fe obeto. We su kan du ya na atwam. Sesi me nim se ni ma me beton. Me ton enya sika. Mintonya sika yenim kwan be fa so a yeso be maintain sika.
So before workers at toll booths were asked to cease collecting tolls on public roads, you would normally find traffic jams here at Ofenso. It served as an opportunity for hawkers over here to sell their products, but today they have to chase after moving vehicles to sell their products, putting their lives on the line.
Some other traders who plied the stretch to sell their perishable merchandise also shared similar sentiments. The hawkers say they wish government would convert the toll booths to police checkpoints to help create a traffic congestion to keep them in business.
MTT for Jina barriers, how much check no. Now institutions different. Beyond Bejina, a toll monomo, na traffic na chekakra. Na yama yankro for na den, amount matter my dear.
From Ofenso for Joy News, my name is Emmanuel Bright Kweku.
Scores of traders at the Tano Boase toll booth in the Techiman North District of the Northeast region, of the Bono East region, I beg your pardon, have expressed disappointment in government's decision to close down the toll booths across the country as part of the 2022 budget statement. The traders say the move would make life difficult for them as their only source of income has been affected. Anasabet reports.
What this means is that they are going to be put out of business, and indirectly it's going to affect their lives in general, especially how they support their children in their quest to get them educated. This is what we do to support our families and pay for our children's education so they have a brighter future. Now we don't know why government took this decision. What do they expect us to do to support our kids? I'm a single mother taking care of my children, and now that this booth is closed, what do we do next? Whilst a lot of them are worried, some are of the view that government should have given them a duration, at least giving them some months or weeks to prepare. As we speak, most of them have gone for fresh food items, and once they are not getting them sold within the shortest possible time, they're going to run at loss with these items likely going to go waste.
More information.
They should have been given a prime notice so they know when the boots will be closed.
What I say? The Omuni has a tomboot no almost there or my bricky. Farmers now
that they have gone for foodstuffs, what are they going to do with it?
Tell how baby.
Some of the drivers are equally not happy with the situation. They say this is not what they are expecting from government. What they want is the reduction of fuel prices and the running of this particular toll boat.
Yeah, the budget in the who say 419 budget no ndo be my. Yeah, drop for the who for so bia also.
For us as drivers, this is a 419 budget. We don't see it benefiting us in any way because the toll boat was not a problem for us. They should rethink and reopen the toll and then reduce fuel prices for us.
Oh, per toll boot in there, yeah, can't say a problem, and your problem.
Our problem isn't the toll
boot 50 pesos,
because the 50 pesos or the 1 is not a problem for us. Our main challenge is the cost of fuel.
What's the
so not reduce fuel prices and allow the tolls to operate.
What I say, your problem, you know.
So this has been the current situation from the Tano Boase toll boat here in the Techiman North District of the Bono East region. My name is Anas Sabet reporting for Joy News.